Good morning, student. In this video, we can see about the part of the sentence. You would have studied in English already and you know very well. In a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. In Hindi, we call it as Uddeshya Videyi. Uddeshya subject, Videyi predicate. For example, अनु पढ़ते पढ़ते सो गई। In this sentence, Anu is a doer of the action. पढ़ते पढ़ते सो गई. What does Anu do? She slept as reading. The doer of the action is called Uddeshya. What do they do? That is called predicate. In Hindi, Videyi. So one sentence, there will be two parts, उद्देश्य विधेय. एक वाक्य में उद्देश्य विधेय का होना जरूरी है. उद्देश्य का अर्थ है कर्ता, करने वाला, काम को करने वाला. विधेय का अर्थ है जो कर्ता जो काम करता है वही विधेय है. One more example. जॉन गिटार बजाता है. In this sentence, John, the person, the doer. So उद्देश्य. John is उद्देश्य. What does John do? गिटार बजाता है. तो वो विधेय है. So one sentence, there will be a subject and predicate. Sometimes two subjects also will come in a sentence. For example, राम और सीता जंगल गए. राम और सीता, two persons. उद्देश्य, ये उद्देश्य है. जंगल गए, what do they do? They went to forest. So ये विधेय है. So एक वाक्य में उद्देश्य और विधेय का होना जरूरी है. कभी कभी उद्देश्य ना होता, उद्देश्य के बिना भी वाक्य है. Sometimes the subject will be missing. We are not using subject. For example, जाओ, पढ़ो, लिखो. In this sentence, commanding sentence, जाओ, पढ़ो, these are the commanding sentences. So in this place, the तुम word is missing. तुम जाओ, तुम पढ़ो, तुम लिखो means the तुम is a doer. but sometimes we will not use the word. A sentence, there will be subject and predicate. It's must.